Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan Tesco Clubcard at self-service. So the first thing you need to do is just get your Tesco Clubcard and then simply begin your checkout. Once you finished your shopping, simply tap on start on self-service checkout screen. After this, locate the Clubcard scanner. So it is usually a separate scanner located to near screen or the main barcode scanner. After this, open your club card. You can open it physically or digitally. If you have physical club card, simply hold the barcode under the club card scanner. If you are using Tesco app or Apple Wallet on your iPhone, simply open up club card in Tesco app or Apple Wallet and hold your phone screen under the scanner so the barcode is visible. And then listen for confirmation. The machine will beep or display a message indicating that your club card has been accepted, and then continue scanning your items as usual. The discount for club card members will be automatically applied to eligible items. So that is how you can scan Tesco Club Card at self-service. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.